Okay.
Welcome back, kids. Do we have a Monster Jam race for you? It's our longest, craziest, fastest track ever. One super huge loop-de-loop. A long drag race. 3 roller coaster hills. And the water pit. Nice. You're not gonna want to miss this. Let's rip these toys open. Yeah. Whoa. Let's see which trucks are racing today. For the fire team, we have Gravedigger, Maxie, Megalodon, and Wildfire. For the ice team, we have Yeti, Dalmatian, Alien Invasion, and Dragon. Who will be today's ultimate champion? Let's get racing!
That's it!
Kids to kids!
Who did you pick? Okay, let's see this. Who is it, Caleb?
Gravedigger and Alien Invasion.
Okay, let's race them.
Put on the other. Okay.
Wait.
Oh!
Okay, I'm ready. It counts. He crossed the finish line.
Yeah, we both. I have one win.
Okay, ready. Alien Invasion won again.
I can't believe Eden's was winning. Gravedigger goes in the trash can. Alien Invasion goes on to the next one.
All right. Hey, let me see who you got. Who's next?
Next is
His name is
Yeti.
Alright.
He looks creepy, but mine's just gonna win all the time because that's a very heavy top. So it's like, that could be able to win. No?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, next. Oh! Yeah, but at least mine's caught in front of you.
Just wait. Okay.
Oh, that's a tie. I wonder what's gonna win. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's a tie. I wonder what's gonna win. I wonder what's gonna win. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Finished. I won. Yes.
Ready?
Oh, Maxi Maxi! Oh, yeah! Oh, Maxi Maxi! Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah!
Okay, who won?
Me, Maxo!
Yeti goes in the trash,
Yep.
and then Max D.
Moves on to the next round.
All right, who's next?
I'm gonna pick
Dragon. Who's that?
Megalodon.
All right, let's race him.
I know myself. Yeah, Megalodon. Oh, Ian. Oh, Ian. Finish line. Oh, Ian. Oh, Ian. I never
Dragon. Look what happened to Megalodon.
Can I pick the ice one next, Steven?
Okay.
Go. Yeah! Yes, oh, no! Yeah! Oh, no! Oh, no!
Got wet.
Uh,
All right, ready?
Ooh, this is gonna be a tie. Oh! Ooh, this is gonna be a tie. Tie. Oh! Oh! Mine's got funner than Eden's, but Eden's, at least mine didn't land in the pea water.
Okay, ready?
Yeah! We go! Made it! Yeah! We go! Made it! Finish! You got done race!
Okay, ready?
Oh! Yay! Oh! Yay! And then we got the wheelie! Yay! And then we got the wheelie! I know! And then we got the wheelie! I know, but mine didn't.
Dragon is good.
Dragon won, Megalodon didn't.
Okay.
Bam.
Let's see if fire can catch up. Maybe ice is gonna win.
I wonder if one of the races is going to be a tie.
Okay, ready?
I know this one's going to be a tie. Oh! I know this one's going to be a tie. Oh!
Dalmatian fell in?
Yes.
Okay, ready?
Yes. 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 Yeah, winner! Yeah, winner! Win race.
Ready?
Ooh, who's the win? Yeah! Yeah! Win. Yeah! Oh, yeah, that's one twice. That's one twice. He's on the next one. He didn't win.
Okay.
Garbage we go.
So we have 3 ice and 1 fire.
Yep.
Ice is probably going to win.
Yep.
What do we got for this round? Alien Invasion and the
No.
only fire one left.
Fire. Oh, eat it. Fire. Fire. Oh, eat it. Oh. Oh! Oh! No! Eden!
Okay.
Go. Yeah, next go. Oh, 1 to 1. Yeah, next go. Go. Oh, 1 to 1. Yeah, that's in a donut.
Whoa, you did a donut on the slide.
It's 1 to 1.
Last race.
Okay.
Ready?
That's it. Yeah! Oh! That's it. Yeah! Oh! Who won?
Max D.
Fun!
No, they both finished, but Max D finished first.
Yeah, so that means mine won.
Yep. Okay.
Mine just goes on the next
Alien
round.
Invasion.
Mine goes on the final
Sorry.
round.
Max D goes to the final round. All right, now let's take 2 ice trucks, 1 truck ice each. I wonder if ice is gonna win this race.
Oh, yeah. Permission? Yeah! Oh, yeah. Permission? Permission? Yeah! Oh, da-da-da!
All right, Dalmatian 1 win. Okay.
Oh! Oh, that
We got ourselves a race here.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
We got ourselves a race here.
Oh!
We got ourselves a race here.
Oh! Oh! Yeah.
Oh, dragon got wet. Okay, ready?
Oh!
They blocked themselves into the water.
You want 30 times.
Okay, ready?
Salvation. Oh wait, that was mine. Oh. Salvation. Oh wait, that was mine. Oh.
Whoa! I thought Dalmatian was going to dragon jumped ahead. Ready?
Oh, I thought they might get the window. Oh, yeah. Oh, I thought they might get the window. Oh, yeah. Oh.
What do you got?
See, go to this trash can.
All right.
Walk.
Who wins?
This guy.
Okay, let's see. We got Dragon and Nasty. Final race. Fire versus ice. Who's going to win?
I don't like it.
This is the final round, everyone. Ready?
Oh, oh.
Ready? Wow.
I touched a little bit of the water.
Let's go. He's still going. I knew that was going to happen.
I knew that was gonna happen.
It's still going. Still going. I knew that was going to happen.
I knew that was gonna happen.
He's going too slow. Nasty. Wet.
Even touched me on the wetness. She had her hand and she touched me on it and then she got me whoa wet.
That's funny. Okay.
Oh. 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 No.
No. Good try, Dragon.
Good try, Dragon. That was a good one. Yeah.
Ready. Oh, we're on his back. All right, let's race him again. Okay, ready? Oh, man.
Man.
So close. Ready? Donut into the finish line.
My dream.
Max D won. Congratulations to Max D.
Thanks for watching, racing fans. Bye. Please subscribe and watch more videos on my channel. Kids to Kids.